Alright, hello everybody. I have a new product we're going to try today. It's not a new product, but it's new to me. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. So I picked it up, and I really wanted Adams Wheel Cleaner, but I got that on order, the Sonax on order, and what else did I order? There was a third one that I ordered. Adams Wheel Cleaner, Sonax, oh, and a P&S. So all of those are on order now, and they should be coming in here in a few days. We'll test them out once I run out of this Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner, I'll test out the others. It's kind of how I do it. So right now I'm about to show you guys the one of the wheels on my GTR. It's not too dirty. It's actually pretty clean, but it's dirty to me. So we're about to do that one, and then my wife's Outback, our daily, is a little bit more dirty. I may or may not try it on that one next, but we'll see. And I've already pre-rinsed the wheel off. And so yeah, we're about to get that started now. Set you guys up right here so you can see. All right, how's that look? All right, here we go. There you go, it's already pre-rinsed a little bit. Now we're going to use this. It says you can use it on everything. It does not say. There we go. It says clean one wheel at a time, rinse thoroughly with a strong blast of the hose, spray the entire sidewall and wheel surfaces liberally. Scrub it, blah, 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 blah. Allow to air dry or dry with Adams Air Cannon. Rinse thoroughly, though. So here we go. Oh, turn it on first. That would help, huh? I really want a wheel cleaner that's really good, because in the barrels sometimes it's a little difficult. I don't like scrubbing so much. I like to have something that I can kind of spray on it and spray off. You know what I mean? So, one thing worth mentioning is the soap that I have in my bucket over here is the Hybrid VO7 shampoo that I use. So there's that. Now let's give it a little scrub around the edge. So again, I'm kind of mixing a little bit here. Just to kind of see how it does. For me, how it does for me. There's tons of videos on this stuff, like with everybody doing this, and, you know, but this is my point of view. But my wheels weren't that dirty, so here we are. They weren't that dirty to begin with. All that banging on the wheels, why you need proper pulls that aren't going to hurt your wheels. This plastic handle is not doing anything to my wheels right now. And what am I missing here? Oh yeah. After I bust up all the loose dirt, I like to get my little Rempaca and get it in there again. This is like a final touch there. All right, let's rinse it off. Alright. She looks really clean right now. Let me hit it with the leaf blower real quick. Dry it off. Shut the door, baby. Shut the door. You need to shut the door, you don't ever stop.
Hey, what are you
Baby.
doing? Hey, did you get this?
Huh? Yeah, that's the camera.
This one, you were cleaning.
Yeah.
Is it a queen? Is it a queen?
Alright.
Over here, hello. Hello.
Say hello. Olivia's got to say hi.
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 That's Nina.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So you can kind of see you did a pretty good job. Still going to try out the other ones. See which ones I like better. So far, I think my favorite wheel cleaner is probably Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Gel. Inside of a foam cannon. I mean, that stuff is just amazing. Now, as far as like hard dirt and grime, you want to step it up a notch and get something a little bit stronger. But if it's just like a maintenance, you know, something like this, stuff does really well. And I don't like using, you don't want to use acidic wheel cleaners. I mean, if you're like a professional and like you know what you're doing, and you take all the guesswork out of it where nothing will go wrong, and if it does go wrong, you know how to fix it. I do not like how hard it is to dry this though. That I don't like. I feel like it didn't dry as easily as some of the others, but you know, here it is. Now, if you notice, I did not draw off the inside of the barrel, but there it is. Adams Wheel Cleaner. Alright, guys. I'm going to do my wife's Outback at some point with it too. It's a little bit dirty. We'll see how it works on that one, but until next time, guys, thanks for watching.